Good morning, children. Today, class for the fourth class. Fourth class children, we are discussing about our second lesson, means about plants. We discuss about the various type of plant pots, and in that, how the plants prepare their food materials. Today, we are discussing about that one various uses of plants. Okay, in our life, plants plays very important role. Without plants, human beings means us and animals cannot survive on the earth surface. Why? Because on the earth surface, plants only have ability to prepare the food. So other than plants, all the living organism depends upon the plants, especially human beings. Nothing but we get the carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, fats, minerals from the plants, and the food materials that we eat in our daily life. Okay, the food materials that we eat in our daily life are belongs to gross family. So the food materials that belongs to grass family means gaddi జాతికి చెందిన మొక్కలు are normally called as cereals. What? Cereals. Okay. So under the cereals, paddy means వరి, wheat, గోధుమలు, జోవార్, జొన్నలు, maize, మొక్కజొన్న, barley, and oats are comes. And you know that one we daily eating rice, so it comes from the cereals only. So the rice is a staple food in our area. When we come to that one northern India, they eat the rotis or chapatis that are prepared from the wheat flour. In some areas, the people are habituated to eat the chapatis that are made up of the jowar or maize. Okay, so depending upon their food habits, either they take rice or wheat product, jowar or maize products. And you know that one the grass of the cereals and other grasses also major food sources for the cattle means pashvulu, sheep, goats, buffaloes, and cows. You know that one another uses of grass also means nothing but making of paper. So in the making of papers, normally we use that one grasses. So certain grass species are used in the making of paper. And you know that one bamboos means వెదురు, and palm leaves means తాటి చెట్టు ఆకులు, కొబ్బరి ఆకులు, and certain grass means nothing వరిగడ్డి are used to make huts means పూరి గుడిసెలు and sheds of the cattle. And you know that one children, certain grasses also used to make chairs, mats, and baskets. Suppose when you visit the market, we observe that one means certain mats and baskets come to sale purpose. They are made from that one. What? That plant sources means especially bamboo. Okay, so these are the uses of that one, some grass species and bamboo. Next, another one is nothing but we get oils from the plants, means nunelu. You know that one in our daily life we use different type of oils for various purpose. We are using so many type of oils in our life, such as coconut oil, sunflower oil, groundnut oil, rice bran oil, and mustard oil, etc. All these oils are obtained from that one plants only. You know that one the sunflower oil is obtained from the sunflower plant. When means especially the seeds, from seeds of the sunflower we get the oil. and groundnut means verucenega. From the seeds of that plants also we get oil. And that one in North India, from mustard, ava nune, they use that one. Which one? The mustard oil. And when we come to that one Kerala, the people of Kerala are using that one coconut oil for cooking purpose. So depending upon the area we use different type of oils. Suppose when we come to the Africans, they use that one olive oil. Okay, means that is obtained from that one olive tree. And that one, sometimes we use that one oils of that one clove, means lavangala nune, and eucalyptus oil for various purpose. Normally we use mm, clove oil for to cure that one toothache, means పంటి నొప్పి నివారణకు మనము బిచ్ ఆయిల్ మీన్స్ we are using clove లవంగాల నూనె. అండ్ యూకలిప్టస్ ఆయిల్, నీలగిరి తైలం మీన్స్ టు క్యూర్ normally cold headache purpose. We are normally using that one eucalyptus oil. And certain oils are used to make perfumes, means nothing but rose oil. From the petals of the rose we can manufacture that one oil. And jasmine means malle, means మల్లెపూల నుంచి తీసిన నూనె. So that is used in that one perfumes and scents. And that one sandalwood means gandham, that also used in the preparation of perfumes. And that one coconut oil and olive oil also used in the manufacturing of soaps. So the soaps also contain the oil material. So these oil materials also used in the manufacturing of soaps. So it is also one of the uses of plants. And the children, we get the spices from the plants. Spices means nothing but sugandha dravyalu. In our daily life we use ginger, means allam. And that one turmeric, pasupu, garlic, vellulli, cloves, lavangalu, cardamom or ilaichi, mm, chilies, mirpakayalu, pepper, miriyalu, means all these. And that one cinnamon means dalchini. So normally all these are called as nothing but spices, means cloves, cardamom, ginger, garlic, pepper, chilies are called. Normally these spices gives particular flavor, taste to the food. So especially when you want to prepare a special food items, normally we use this type of spices in our food. Okay, normally the spices also have many more medicinal properties also. Okay, in our area without turmeric we can't prepare food material, అంటే పసుపు వేయకుండా అసలు వంట చేయము. And we also use ginger and garlic in our food items, and chilies also. Okay, and pepper means miriyalu, means it is also gives immunity power to us. Okay, these are the another uses of that one plants. Next, we get the beverages from the plants, means nothing but తాగే పానీయాలు. Normally most of the people are habituated to take or to sip tea when they are immediately wake up. So the tea is obtained, means tea powder. By using tea powder we can prepare tea. But how we get this tea powder? From the leaves of the tea plant. And this is also one of the important beverage in our daily life. Not only that one, sometimes we sip coffee. From the coffee plant seeds we get that one coffee powder. Okay, these are also obtained from that one, hmm, what plants. And another uses of plant is nothing but fibers. We get different type of fibers from the plants. Especially in our surrounding area you observe that one most of the farmers are cultivate that one cotton crop. Okay, what is the purpose of cultivation of a cotton crop? Major means it is commercial crop. We get mainly cotton from the cotton plant. Means nothing but the seeds, from seeds of the cotton plant we get the cotton. Normally the cotton fiber is used in the making of cloths. Not only that one, from jute plant also we get that one fibers, and from coconut plant also we get that one fibers. హెంప్ మీన్స్ జనుము మొక్క నుంచి కూడా మనకు నారలు లభిస్తాయి. నార్మల్లీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీన్స్ యూజెస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఆల్ ఫైబర్స్? We are using these fibers to make various type of bags and carpets, ropes means talu, kobbari talu, twines, and various type of materials. And one more important use of plants is nothing but medicinal. Means nothing but plants means various type of plants gives us medicine, especially eucalyptus means nilagiri thylam. It is also used as medicine. And cinchona, normally cinchona plant is used to treat malaria disease, you know that one. And you know that one, neem means vepa. These plants also have many medicinal values. In our tradition, we give importance to that one neem tree. Okay, normally in our areas, we can't imagine the house without neem tree. Why? Because nothing but we get plenty of oxygen from the one neem tree. Not only that one, every part of that one neem plant have medicinal value. Why? Because nothing but it have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Means nothing but it kills the germs. So cinnamon also have medicinal product, dalchini chekka, and turmeric also have medicinal values. Suppose when we are injured or wounded, immediately we apply that one turmeric powder on the wounds. అంటే మనం ఏదైనా గాయం తగిలితే ఇమీడియట్గా పసుపు రాస్తాము. వై? బికాస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ హీల్స్ ద wounds very easily. Not only that one, many type of plants also have many medicinal uses. Okay, ginger also have medicinal values, turmeric, and pepper, miriyalu. Nowadays, the pandemic situation, COVID is running. So you are familiar by using decoction that is prepared from that one pepper and that one dried ginger. Okay, children, we have so many uses from the plants, that is nothing but we also get inks means nothing but dyes color material, and rubber. Okay, when you pluck the leaves of the certain plants, milk like substance is coming from the plant. So that is nothing but latex. By using latex we can prepare the rubber. And you have seen that one, gum material is come from that one stems of that one neem tree, acacia tree. అంటే జిగురు లాంటి పదార్థం కారడం మీరు చూసే ఉంటారు వేప చెట్టు నుంచి, తుమ్మ చెట్ల నుంచి. ఓకే, అండ్ యూ నో దట్ వన్, the plants are very important to survive any living organism on the earth surface. Suppose if the plants are there, the soil become barren. Normally the soil fertility is very important for the growth of the plants. If the soil is not fertile, then the plants cannot grow properly in that type of soil. And you know that one, when the heavy rainfall occurs or a heavy wind blows at the time, the upper layer of soil can easily carried from one place to the another place. You know that one, the upper layer of the soil only supports the growth of the plants. Why? Because nothing but the organic material and humus material is present only in the upper material of the soil. If the upper material is carried by the heavy rains and the winds, in that type of soil, the plants cannot grow properly. And you know that one, the removal of upper layer of the soil by the winds and the rains is called as soil erosion. What? The removal of upper layer of the soil by the winds and rain is called as soil erosion. If the soil erosion process is very severe, the plants cannot grow properly. Normally, grass spaces in plain areas or in many areas, we observe that one the growth of the grasses. But the grasses plays very important role in the controlling of soil erosion. And the why? Because nothing but the plants roots and the grass roots bind the soil properly, and they stop the soil erosion. If the grass is not grown in the soil is easily carried by the rainwater. And you know that when we observe the interdependencies in between the plants and animals. Normally, plants need carbon dioxide to perform photosynthesis process. During the photosynthesis process, the plants prepare that one starch material, means nothing but simply glucose. Normally, the animals liberate or release carbon dioxide during their breathing process. Opposite to that one, the plants liberate oxygen gas. Means you know that one, the oxygen is very important for the survival of living organism, and especially you know that one, not only this oxygen is important for the living organism but also human being. But you know that one, day by day the deforestation process means nothing but అడవులను నరికివేయడం is process is occurring very rapidly. So as this process is continuously going on, the carbon dioxide level is increasing in the atmosphere. As this is happen, the average temperature of the earth is increases. So the balancing of these gases is very important in nature. How this is nothing but especially we have to participate in the program such as that one mahotsav and haritaharam program. Okay, we have to participate in the programs like vana mahostava and haritaharam programs. So normally, what is the main aim of this program is nothing but to plant the trees on a large scale. It is the very good programs. The main intention of this program is nothing but to recreate the greenery. Okay, when the greenery is increases in surrounding, immediately the temperature decreases. When the temperature decreases, immediately we get the good rainfall. When we receive the good rainfall, we happily cultivate the crops. So it is important for the balancing of nature. You know that one, nowadays the so many wild animals and monkeys are frequently entering into villages. Not only that one, the monkeys problem is severe in that one many major towns and cities. Why these wild animals are entering into that one villages and towns? Due to the lack of food materials in the forest. So when you recreate that greenery, they get the proper shelter. So children, as possible, you can plant trees in your surroundings. Okay, suppose you have more vacant land, immediately try to give priority to plant more trees. Okay, Why? Because nothing but trees are our life. If the trees are not there, we observe the drought conditions, means karbu paristhituలు. If this happen, we count the food materials. So everybody know about that one importance of plants in our life. Okay, we use different type of land, means plants in our life for food purpose or any other purpose. So try to protect the trees and plant more trees to increase the greenery. Okay, thank you children.